Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be building a little something special on the S10. So I've been doing a lot of hauling on the S10 and basically I've been forced to kind of leave some 2x4s and metal kind of leaning against the cab. So I've got some more scuffs going on. So I've decided it's time to build a headache rack. So what I'm going to do is I've got some round tubing, some angle iron, and some plate. We're going to have the plate mount under here, under the toolbox. That's what's going to hold everything together. It's going to come out to about right here. Then we're going to have some tube going right up the side of the cab. And then I'm going to tie that in with some angle iron. And so what we're going to do is build it kind of on the truck, tack it all together, and then I'll pull it off and finish weld it. So here are my materials. Hopefully this is all I need. Some plate cut in half, that's going to go on the bed rail. The tube is going to be the vertical section, and then the angle iron is the cross section. Okay, that's going to be our cross piece. Now we just need to trim that to match that. So we're going to do that on the bench grinder, but I'm going to trace this first. And then on the other side. Okay, I got it all notched out, aligned, and pretty much squared up. So I'm going to weld the top on, add a couple more tacks on the base, and then pull it off and finish weld it on the bench. Okay, I had to add this brace to go across the front, otherwise it was just too wobbly. So anywho, now it's on the table. I'm gonna weld the inners there and take care of the rest of everything, and then we should be ready. I'll put some braces right here, then we should be ready to paint it, throw it back on. Alrighty then, so got it pretty much built up and installed. A couple issues. My welder's getting all spattery. I think I might be low on gas. I don't actually have a regulator that tells me how much gas I have. It's just either I've got flow or I don't, and the flow seems a little bit soft. The other thing is, as a result of that, I arced against the nozzle and shorted out the welder, and now it doesn't really turn on. So I can't quite finish up how I'd like. So I've got it installed, but don't have any triangle braces to keep it, nice and sturdy. So I'm going to weld those on later. Either I'll fix whatever is shorted out or broken in the welder, or I guess now might be time to invest in a nice modern multi-process machine. So here it is installed. My welds are disgusting, but it does do the job, and looks pretty clean overall. I am eventually going to put some little triangles right there to keep it more sturdy. But in the meantime, I should at least be able to strap some 2x4s to it and not completely break things. So, and this is all clamped in. That's attached again. So yeah, it's mostly there. I'd say it's about 80%. Like I said, I'm gonna add those braces and then I'll pull it off and paint it, and then I'll have a nice slick looking headache rack. Anywho, that's all I got for now. See you next time. Thanks for watching.